Welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to show you some products I got from Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another review today. Today I'm going to show you some rhinestones and foil flakes and some other things that I got from Amazon. Now these products can be used for nails or even for crafts if you're not into nails but you love to do crafts. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you're enjoying my content. And remember to hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I post new videos. Okay, let's look at this first container here. There's just some small rhinestones in here of various different colors. I see some pinks that I really like and some light blues. And they've done the organization for you by putting them in these little nice containers. So this next one, these rhinestones in here are the exact same colors of the ones before. So there was really no need for me to show you guys those. This next container had silver rhinestones in it. I like that there were various different sizes inside of here as well. You have some that are shaped like diamonds as well. So those were really nice. Those are those first three containers that come in this kit. All right, let's move on to this next one. So the shape in here, they're kind of shaped like leaves and they're very bright. I'm loving these colors. You guys look at that. Oh my goodness. They're like sequin colors, I would say. And then there's the other side there on the bottom. So moving on to the next container, these were a bit heavier, you could tell, in weight. They're kind of like charms, I would say, because when I looked inside of them, they have heart shaped, they have star shaped, they have diamond shaped, and one side is gold and the other side is silver. I thought those were really awesome. So altogether, so far, there are 5 containers of these various rhinestones and charms. The next item I'm going to show you is the foil that comes in this kit. So when it comes to the consistency of this foil, it's a very thin consistency. It's very easy to rip. And that's good because if you're doing nails, you want something that you can just take apart and design however you want to design. There are all those colors for you in this foil paper. What I really do like about this kit too is that they have so many different colors. So no matter what color you're more partial to, I feel like they have a good variety. So here's blue. They have purple in here. Nice. For all you guys who love purple, there's red. And here are those colors for you guys really fast before we move on. So next are the foil flakes, and I'm not sure if they're foil flakes or technically plastic flakes. I don't know. The consistency didn't really seem like foil, but either way, these are very, very nice. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like and sub button for me and that notification bell if you're enjoying my content. So like I said, these are very nice. They have that very iridescent type look. Great for like mermaid patterns, even great for this time of year for Christmas, if you want to do like some snowflake look on your nails. So many different possibilities with these colors. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let you have a quick look at all this product before I head out. Let me know if you guys have ordered a kit like this from Amazon before and what was your experience with it. Were you satisfied? Do you feel like you got enough? Did it come organized or whatever? I would really like to know. I love feedback. Leave it down in the comments below. I will also leave a link to this product in the description below if you guys are interested in this. All right, thank you for joining me for another video today. Remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next review.